This photo story was done as an effort to teach students about food webs and how all organisms are needed for a balanced natural system. I will begin by introducing the students to trophic levels and explain the roles that they play in the food web. Producers are autotrophs, which mean that they can make their own food. Producers form the first trophic level of the food chain because they make the food that supports other species in the food chain. Examples are green plants and some kind of bacteria. Consumers are heterotrophs, or living things that cannot make food for themselves. There are several types of consumers. There are primary, secondary, and tertiary. Examples are herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Decomposers or cyprotrophs are a vital part of the food web. They break down the organic compound in dead remains and release their raw materials such as carbon dioxide back into the environment. Examples are fungi and bacteria. In the food chain, there are two types of animals. There are predators and prey. Predators refer to animals that catch and kill other animals. Prey are the animals being eaten. There are several factors that can cause the food web to break. One factor is humans. The second factor is population. Next, these are the materials that we will be using for the food web game. First, the students will be cutting out pictures from a magazine that represent different kind of animals. Then they will glue them on a paper plate. Then they will punch 2 holes so they can insert the yarn in the middle. This is just an example. This is a sample of the finished product and an example of how the game is to be played.